one of the things that's really easy to do on Wikinews or any wiki project is to plagiarize. It's not allowed, and a lot of times it's inadvertent. So in this case, I've decided to write an article. This is Nobel Peace Prize Award to chemical demolishers. And Wikinews requires 2 sources. Now, when writing an article, the first paragraph always has to answer who, what, where, when, and why. And one of the easiest things to do for students and anyone else is to realize you need 2 sources and then go and find them and copy paste so you don't get the facts wrong. So you go something like this. Okay, I've copied this from this article. I've already cited it in my sources, so I'm probably thinking to myself, that's not a problem because I've cited this source, and if you've cited it, you can't plagiarize it. So, yeah, okay. So I come here, I copy and paste this, and this is how easy it is. You sit yourself and you go, okay, well, I need my who, what, where, when, and why. I can change this. The Norwegian Nobel Prize Committee awarded its Peace Prize yesterday because I fixed it. See, I'm rewriting it, so I'm not plagiarizing. That's what you think, okay? But now you can change this to okay. Let's see, organization. Awesome. Drew. So, and so I can do something like this, okay? Now so now that's the easiest form of plagiarism. All I did was take this sentence and I've reworded it. I've made it so it fits Wikinews because hey, it says it happened yesterday, not today, and I've changed the order of some words, and it's just really easy to do. But it's still plagiarism because you didn't change the meaning of that sentence at all. It's still the same. Let's see if we do a plagiarism check. How that actually looks. So, oops, okay. Looks like this. See, it doesn't show there's plagiarism, but as a reader I go, the Norwegian Nobel Committee awarded its 2000 prize on yesterday. And I go here and I go, the Norwegian awarded its Nobel Peace Prize on Friday. So it looks pretty much the same. So, and it reads really similar. I've changed a few of the words, but it's still plagiarism. You might have changed it, but it's not going to be acceptable. I didn't make substantial changes to it. So as a reviewer, I'm looking at this and I go, that looks really close. Let me just, let's see, open this up, and again, so put this in here. So how it matches this matches, so these match. This is basically the same way of saying the other thing. See, all I did was change the order, so, and I used this pretty much the same adjectives. So, and see how that is pretty much the same. So it's really easy to do. That's why Wikinews encourages you not to copy paste. The correct answer is you read both articles. The international community is Hale, blah blah blah. It's a little known Hague-based organization emerged from the shadows. Okay. So something like this. Yesterday, the Hague-based United Nations backed organization. Now you can copy paste the name, that's fine. So was it's an organization, I think it was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. That is a better way to do it because I've read these two sentences, I've got the facts. The award came from, but you don't want to copy paste in unless you're copy pasting a proper name that you don't want to misspell. Okay, you want to read both articles or all the articles you're sourcing. You want to create new meaning, put together the facts in a unique way. You don't want to copy paste. If you copy paste, then it begins to have problems with plagiarism, and if it looks systematic, someone's going to do something like this. Let's just save this. Okay, I'm going to submit this for review. I'm not actually going to do it. Okay, what a reviewer is going to come along and do is, oops, come on, okay, oops, okay. A reviewer is going to come along like here, and they're going to read that article and see the problems, and they're going to ding you on copyright. The text is too close to the original. It needs more distance. Suggestion is to not copy and paste and then reword. Rather, read both articles until you grasp the meaning and then write the text based on that. Go back and use the sources to fact check as necessary. That's what's going to happen, and what will happen is the review will get submitted. Okay, let's reword this. Okay, you'll get a page on your talk page for the article, and we'll say something like here, and you won't get the article passed. And the whole purpose of Wikinews is to not plagiarize, because then it'll get not readied and your article won't ever get published. So that's one of the goals when Wikinews. Everything gets published, everything gets reviewed, so every article is going to be checked for plagiarism. So you want to really avoid that, because one, it's not ethical, and two, it's a hindrance to getting your article published. Okay?